The Chevrolet Camaro has broken the limits of its muscle auto, horse auto past to end up plainly an all-out games auto. In view of an excellent stage that it imparts to Cadillac, the 6th era Camaro is littler, lighter, and preferred adjusted over the past age auto. It's offered in roadster and convertible body styles, and accompanies an assortment of motors, going from a turbo 4 to a V6 to a couple of V8 tests that best out with a 650 drive ZL1. All models are brisk, handle to a great degree well, and even offer a created ride. For 2018, the ZL1 includes the Onma Extreme Track Performance Bundle that transforms this creature into a genuine track auto on account of forceful streamlined features, a customizable suspension with spool-valve dampers, and Goodyear Eagle F1 Supercar 3R Summer Just tires. Additionally, for 2018, the lively Onma bundle is accessible on the decked-out 2SS model. The 6th era Camaro proceeds with the development of the retro-roused look of the 5th age auto. The new Camaro is somewhat littler, and not exactly as threatening in advance. Regardless, it has articulated back hindquarters, a high beltline, and a slashed search for the rooftop, and additionally broad prompts from the original auto of the 1960s. The Camaro depends on GM's Alpha stage, which it imparts to the Cadillac ATS and CTS. That is a piece of the motivation behind why it handles so well. Weight is down from the last stage, and taking care of is adjusted, the ride is pardoning, and propelled suspension highlights are both standard and discretionary. Chevrolet gives purchasers a chance to pick from an assortment of models. Motors begin with a 275 horsepower 2.0-liter turbo 4, at that point climb to a 335 horsepower 3.6-liter V6, a 455 horsepower 6.2-liter V8 in SS models, and a supercharged 6.2 in the ZL1 that makes 650 horsepower. For the individuals who need to take their autos to the circuit, Chevy offers the Onma bundle for both the V6 and 455 horsepower V8, or more the previously mentioned extraordinary ZL1 1-liter E-bundle that set a rankling 7/16 lap at the Nürburgring.